Hey friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Guys, this is Sachin Gupta here, Senior Technical Analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited. And today we'll be covering a commodity market outlook for a week. So let's start with the gold, as the gold has performed well during the last week. We witnessed a good upside momentum from the lower levels. Gold prices made a high at around 48,290 during the last week, and finally the price managed to close near around 47,910 levels with almost 0.5% gain on the Friday trading session. So on the higher side, we are expecting the upward momentum for the upcoming week, and price may test the level of around 48,500 on an immediate basis. And if price managed to settle above that level, then this rally to be extended till the level of 48,700 and 49,000 level as well. However, on the downside, there is a support at around 47,600 levels. Now come to the silver, as silver prices has underperformed as compared to gold during the last week, as we witnessed a further correction from the higher levels, and silver prices made a low at around 68,425 levels during the week. Finally, on the Friday trading session, we saw some pullback from the lower levels, and silver prices managed to close near around 69,235 with almost 0.5% gain. For the upcoming week, we are expecting some range-bound momentum in the silver counter, and on the higher side, there is a resistance at around 71,700 levels. However, on the downside, the support comes at 68,700 levels. If silver prices breach the higher levels, then this upside rally to be continued till the level of 72,500 and 72,800 levels. However, on the downside, if price breach the support level, then this downside momentum to be continued till the level of 67,000 and 66,500 levels. Now we'll talk about the base metals. So almost all of the base metals traded into the mixed note. If we talk about the copper, so yes, there was a range bound momentum in the copper prices after made a high at around 742 during the week. After that, we witnessed further downside momentum, and finally on the Friday trading session, it has shown some upside move. Price gain more than 1.5% to close near around 732. For the upcoming week, if prices manage to settle above 735 levels, then only this upside momentum to be continued till the level of 745 and 750 levels. On the higher side, 750 would act as a resistance zone for the counter. Or on the downside, there is a support at around 730 levels, which is a most important support level for the copper. If prices slip below that level, the downside momentum to be continued till the level of 710 and 705. Now we'll talk about the zinc, as zinc has performed well during the last week, as we witnessed a good recovery from the lower levels. And finally, the price settled near around 242.15 levels with almost 1% gain on the Friday trading session. On the technical chart, there is a breakout level at around 242.50 levels in zinc. If again the zinc prices manage to sustain around 243 levels, then the upside momentum to be continued till the level of 248 and 250 levels for the upcoming week. However, on the downside, there is a major support at around 236 levels. If in case price break the support and sustain below 236, then downside momentum to be continued till the level of 232 and 230 levels. Now we'll talk about the nickel, as nickel has also performed well during the last week, as we witnessed the further breakout in the nickel counter on the daily chart, and finally the nickel prices managed to close above 1400 levels on the Friday trading session. Price gained more than 2% on the day and closed at around 1404 levels on Friday trading session. For the upcoming week, we are expecting the upward momentum in the nickel counter till the level of 1420 and 1425 levels. On the higher side, there is a resistance at around 1430 levels. However, on the downside, the support comes at 1380 levels. If in case price manage to close below 1380, then downside momentum to be extended till the level of 1360 and 1355 levels for the upcoming week. Now we'll talk about the LAD, as LAD prices traded into the range during the week, and for the upcoming week also we are expecting some range bound momentum in the LAD counter. On the higher side, the resistance at around 182 levels. However, on the downside there is a support at around 176 levels. If in case price manage to close above 182, then there will be the breakout, and this breakout will extend the upward rally till the level of 185 and 188 levels for the upcoming week. Now we'll talk about the aluminium, as aluminium prices shown southward momentum during the week as we witness a further correction in the counter, and the price managed to close near around 197.85 levels on the Friday trading session. For the upcoming week, we are expecting some downside momentum in the aluminium prices till the level of 195 and 193. 193 would act as a support for the counter. However, on the higher side, there is a resistance at around 201 levels. Now we'll talk about the energy sectors. So in the energy sector, the crude oil prices open at a positive territory on the Monday trading session. After that, there was a downfall in the counter, and initially 2 days on Tuesday and Friday trading session, we witnessed a further downward momentum in the crude oil prices, which we can consider as a profit booking from the higher levels. But in the last 2 trading session of the week, we witnessed a good pullback or recovery from the lower levels, and finally the crude oil prices again settled at around 5556 levels with more than 2% gain on the Friday trading session, which indicates the more strength in the counter. The fundamental factors are also like supporting the upside momentum in the crude. So for the upcoming week, we are expecting the good upside momentum in the crude oil prices towards the level of 5700 and 5750. However, on the downside, there is a support at around 5400 levels. Now we'll talk about the natural gas, as natural gas prices shown some upside or downside momentum throughout the week, but finally on the Friday trading session, price managed to close and with a minor gain and close near around 276.30 levels. For the upcoming week, we are expecting the upward momentum to be continuing in the natural gas prices and may reach towards the level of 285 and 290 levels. However, on the downside, there is a support at around 268 levels. If in case price breaches the support level 268 levels, then the downside momentum can be seen till the level of 262 and 255 levels as well. That's all for the day. Thank you and happy trading session.